How are you too? It's your boy Nasdaq Soldier, and we on it. We here. This is a setup I seen around open. Trade Nasdaq 100 futures. I trade. I trade supply and demand with trend lines. I use the 200 moving average for my directional bias. And we finna come on here and see what we can see. Dang. Oh, okay. What I seen this morning? I seen something this morning. I seen a setup this morning. Oh yeah, that was before I marked that up. This was a setup that played out. Went down. Well, it did go for a 1 to 2. Then shot back up. But you delete all that. Dang, it's crazy. It looked like that was a whole nother setup right there. We finna mark it up and see if it did how we wanted it to, but that's all a whole other setup right there. We finna see what it did. See what it's looking like on the 1 minute. It looked like it's a setup finna play out right now, but oh, it did exactly what we needed it to do. Wow. Dang. It break out. The furthest level it could come. It's right in here. Shoot, shot out of there. If I wouldn't have got in right there, I probably would have. I would have got in right here for sure. Yeah, it would have played out. Them was selling. Dang. I can't wait till I could just be on here and just see my setups and be able to take them. But that'll come in time. If I don't be able to catch nothing while I'm on here, I ain't tripping. I would love to be on here at market open and see if I can catch something. I would love that. But we finna see what this one looking like, just to see real quick if we still gonna sell or not. Where's the next demand? Like it's holding up this area down here. It didn't touch this low yet. Let's see. Oh, that low is the next demand right there. Never touched. Oh, it did touch. A little bit, almost. Looked like it just about touched it. Dang, it got a lot of demands to come back and react to. Right there. That one been touched. Yeah, I think we're gonna wait for a buy setup. With how it's reacting, we're gonna wait for a reversal. Then how it been moving, I think we'll probably just sit here and wait for some type of reversal. Cause it can keep selling, but within it's in this range right here. Y'all can see the range. About up here to down here, it's like in this range. It's like we don't want to go for sales. They end up getting trapped trying to go down when it's in this range like this. So our best bet is to look for buys. Try to wait for a reversal or something. We missed all the good action. There was 2 setups, or really 1 right here. Around about 8:54, but we ain't tripping because that be kind of too early. Yeah, we can see the volume. Yeah, it was kind of too early. I mean, well, yeah, it's 8:30 right here. Market open. So yeah, we ain't tripping. It was some nice setup, but we ain't tripping. We're gonna wait for cause I ain't finna chase them sales being at the bottom of this range. So we'll try to sit back and probably wait for some kind of reversal in this area. Cause this dang near setup right here, like it broke out, it come back to this area and sellers come back in strong. But we know we got this demand down here, and we know that it's kind of ranging in this area and going up and down. So we ain't gonna worry about taking sales right now. We're gonna see if we can wait for some kind of reversal in this area. But I'll be back. I just wanna hop on here and show y'all, like, this a potential setup, but I don't think I'll be able to get the 1 to 2 that I want, cause that demand down there, and it been ranging, so it's like I feel like it ain't gonna be. It's not a 1 to 2 setup because of that demand. I'll be getting in right here. This is definitely an entry confirmation, but I definitely wouldn't trust this. So let's see what happens. To be honest, it wouldn't have been a bad trade. It wouldn't have been a bad trade because it's on a downtrend. You know, it's on the other side of the trend. And look, it had that demand to come to. I knew that. See, it's pushing up off that demand. The reason I didn't take it is because I felt like I wouldn't have got the 1 to 2. It came close. I would have got the 1 to 1. But look, I'll be at break even right now. We're going to see if it's going to come take us out at break even if we would have took the trade. But the reason why I didn't take it is because of this demand. And I know it's been ranging in this area. So it's like, you know, and look at this. It's finna, they never break me even. Look like it, yeah, it would have broke me even. It hit it right there, it had to. Yeah, it would have been break even right there. Let me set it up. It broke above. Let's see if we can get a pullback. I mean, right here would be good if we get momentum, but essentially we want it down here. I'm gonna mark up both of them. I'll mark up this one, but then for sure this what we really wanted to come to bounce up off of. But I'm gonna mark up both of them just to have them on deck. I'm gonna have to make a decision of which one I really wanted to come back to. If we get it to come back to this one, this will be like a reverse head and shoulders. This the shoulder, it's creating a head, and it'll create another shoulder in this area. But we go wait and see. See if we can catch us a reversal. I'll be back. It's pulling back right now. Pull it back. I guess we can go ahead and just get ready. Get ready. Oh, we're just waiting for that buy-in volume, but it still got to cross our line too. Dang, why my screen just went so low? That was some good buy-in pressure right there, but we got our trend line, so it got to make sense to us. Let's see if it's gonna turn white and push. Oh wow. Oh, I wanted to enter right there. Ah, I almost pressed it. Dang. Dang, y'all. Dang, dang, dang. I might have just missed the entry. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Oh my goodness. Ah! I done missed it. Ooh, I supposed to be up in that move. Ooh, I supposed to be up in that move. Oh, I supposed to be up in that move. That hurt. Dang, that hurt. That hurt, I ain't gonna lie. Oh, 925 would be a 1-to-1. Ooh, that hurt. I missed it. Ooh, I was supposed to be up in that move. I ain't even gonna lie. We had it marked up and everything. It didn't take the trade. It created the shoulder. Ain't that something? Ain't that something? That hurt. I ain't gonna lie, that hurt. I said we was gonna try to catch a reversal. And the reversal came. And we ain't take the trade. But it ain't too late. I mean, it's too late to get in this setup for sure. But, man, I'll be back. I mean, to be honest, it technically didn't give me exactly what I wanted to be in that move, though. Because I did have my trend line drawn. And it ain't break the trend line how I wanted it to. When it did, or what my entry was going to be, that was the first break of the trend line. And then the second break would have been right here. And that's way too far up to enter in this trade. So technically it didn't give me, if it would have gave me exactly what I wanted, I would have instantly pressed buy. But just because I was hesitant and everything, then ain't no sense in it. Ain't no sense in it. It is what it is. That's the 1-to-1. We'll be at break even right now. That's how it be. It didn't give it to me how I wanted it. I wish it did. But everything played out exactly how it was supposed to. It came down to our area, created the other shoulder, pushed up out of there. But this second candle, man, if this second candle would have just pushed up a little bit more, I would have entered. But I just didn't get it how I wanted it. But all we could do is just wait for another setup. Trying to see if we can get a pullback and catch that the next, pushes up. But 1-to-2 right there. 1-to-2 right there. $600 played out in my face. And I just seen something too. It reacted. We predicted the reversal, came down, reacted off our level. And even though we didn't get that break right there, we got a full break right here. And if we would have entered right there, because of that strong momentum through our trend line, we would have been at a 1-to-1. We could have put it to break even on our way to a 1-to-2. Yep. It hurt. And there go the 1-to-2. Bow. Just hit. If I would have entered in off that strong momentum candle, I don't know why I tricked myself like that. Just because it didn't happen on the second candle, the momentum still came in. So I was supposed to take that trade. I don't know what tricked my mind like that. Thinking I missed out on the trade. I was sitting there saying I'm supposed to be in this move. Get in the move. The move happening. Yeah, I tripped out right there. I tripped out. I'ma adjust though. At least it happened. I mean, at least it played out how we wanted. Even if we would have got in right there, which I didn't, but even if I would have got in off that, we predicted the reversal and it played out. That's all we can say. I think I'm finna just give up. Like I'm sitting here editing the video, and I guess the end of the video didn't. I guess I didn't record the end again, but I didn't take no trades. You see, we still same account. Didn't take no trades. Live account. Yeah, we only had just one setup, and that was the reversal that we predicted right there. We tried to follow it to take some sales, but sellers was just coming back in strong with no setup. It gave a little setup right here, but it wasn't, you know what I'm saying? It wasn't our setup. Like right here, it just didn't break down, but it came up, you know, gave reactions and stuff like that, and it sold down, you know, kind of 1 to 2 or whatever like that. But all in all, no setups taken today, and no trades set up today. We had realized the range and could have got the reversal right there, but it is what it is. We just come back Monday and be ready to just scan the markets and keep doing the same thing. Don't get tricked out. You know, we see the momentum coming in, no matter if it's on the third candle. We see the momentum, take the trade and let it do what it do. But we're gonna adjust. You know, Nasdaq soldier, I've been trading, you know, for a good bit. I've been on the charts a good little bit, so it's like I kind of have an essential of what I'm looking for, you know what I'm saying, and what not to do, you know, over the time of what I've been doing. And you know, it's going to turn up for me. It's going in the right direction, I tell you that. But I took no trades today. I don't feel no way about it, you know, and it is what it is. But you know, Nasdaq soldier out, and then I'll be back Monday. Yeah.